Hey everyone! Today we're going to be learning how to create bulk QR codes with CrabQR. So the first step to get here is going to be to type in your search bar docs.google.com/spreadsheets to get here. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and open up your file you want to turn into, QR codes. I'm going to click on mine called Work Office QR code. These are the links I want to turn into a QR code. So to do that, I'm going to use CrabQR. If you haven't installed CrabQR already, you're going to go ahead and click on extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, and type CrabQR in the search. And once you go through the accepting the permissions and the installation steps, you're going to go ahead and close this out. And to open up CrabQR, click on extensions, CrabQR right here, open app. So this is the home page for CrabQR. Before we go ahead and make bulk QR codes, click on the three lines on the upper right hand corner. And then here is where you want to make some changes if you want to change your QR code style, create a landing page, create a file for all of your QR codes. I would suggest you do that beforehand before you make the bulk QR code. So I'm going to go ahead and click on styles to customize my QR code and then click plus new style. You can give your QR code a style name. Alright, and here you can go ahead and just customize your QR code with all the colors and text you want to add to your QR code. So I have created my style for my QR code. I'm going to go ahead and click on the three lines in the upper right hand corner again and go to management. I'm going to create a folder. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and give my folder a color. I'm going to choose teal. Great. Alright, and here would be where you also can go ahead and create a landing page. I'm not going to go ahead and do that, so I'm going to go back to QR codes to finally make my bulk QR. And I'm going to click where it says bulk create. Alright, I've gone ahead and selected the information, and I'm going to go ahead and put John as the QR code name column, and then the destination URL column would be the website links. Alright, and it's going to be from row 2 to 6. So 5 rows were selected. I'm going to click continue. And here, a really cool feature with CrabQR, you can go ahead and take some precautions for your QR codes. You can enable a PIN protection. You can determine when you want your QR code to no longer be accepting responses. And you can also control how many people you want to be able to scan the QR code as well. So let me go ahead and enact these features. Alright, so you can choose the default QR code, or you can choose the QR code that you created. I'm going to go ahead and choose the QR code I made earlier called Work 2026 and click continue. And here I'm going to choose my folder called Important Docs. And now those were the final steps. I'm going to go ahead and create my QR codes. Alright, and there we have it. We have our personalized QR code for each website, rows 2 to 6. And for these, you can always download the QR codes and share them with others. You can copy the QR code link and send it to other people, however you choose. But that's basically how you go ahead and create bulk QR codes using CrabQR.